So I've got my new course and I've renamed the topics with some new titles, and I've uploaded loads of files. Look at all this stuff. Fabulous. It's great. And I'm scrolling down. Oh look, there's chemistry. So there's some more stuff on chemistry. And I'm still going. More. Oh, and there's physics. Right, so there we go. Loads of resources for students. But now I'm wondering why they're not using it. They can't find stuff. They say it's not there. And it's still going. So it might be this problem because of So how do your students actually find stuff on your course? Does it work? Does it work for them? One way of providing help with their navigation is to use more visual stuff. So in this example, I'm being a student and I want to find that thing that I saw in class, and it was something about, and that's my cat again, it was something about reflexology. Can't really remember what it was, but I'll know it when I see it, and there it is, there. That's it, about feet. Using pictures like these can help your students navigate through your course and find the thing they're looking for real quick. They can just skim through. They don't have to stop and read every single word. But bear in mind, this is not about students skipping through their own work, it's about finding that activity in the first place. Ah, it's my cat! Get up! Ideally, you'd want them to stop and read every single word of their own work. But hey, that's in an ideal world.